Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Combustion Guys YouTube channel, and today we're looking at Toyota's Corolla Hatchback. Now, Todd is very excited about the GR version of this. Obviously it's not out, so we cannot take a look at it, although we can probably just go down over here really quick and we can go over to upcoming vehicles and we can click on this and take a very nice little look at that. And it's a very beautiful looking car. It's a beautiful car. Just look at that. That's beautiful. Anyways, guys, so that's the Corolla, 300 horsepower out of the 1.6 liter 3-cylinder turbo with a 6-speed manual. But that is not the car that we are looking at today. No, siree. We are looking at its not so sporty sibling here, and we're going to see what it has to offer. So, not too many options, but let's get started. Alrighty guys, so we got 28 to 36 miles to gallon. That is really good for this little hatch. I like that. Definitely with the wonderful gas prices. Yeah, somebody in a big house is not helping us out here. But anyways, guys, very nice looking car. And we have two different options. This is interesting. A 2.0 liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine with front-wheel drive with a 6-speed intelligent manual transmission. And we also have the continuously variable transmission over here. So I'm going to guess that that is a little bit more on the automatic side, which is probably what I need. That's what I'm guessing there, because manual, I would break it, unfortunately. Not good with manuals. And look at all of these options out of stock. We have the beautiful blues down here, a lot of different options, but options are currently out. So, but let's see, what is this? This is the blue flame, blue flame with black roof. We have the magnetic gray. We have the finish line red. Finish line red with black roof, so that's your options that are currently not available. We do have moonstone fabric and black fabric. Probably go with black fabric. Oh, wait a minute. Hello? That's okay. Oh. Okay, so with somehow, okay, so something to do with the interior color, it is available in this configuration. Interesting. Okay. I'll get away. Go away. Okay, fine. We're just going to go with the blue. That looks beautiful, though. I don't see any wheel options yet, but hopefully there is something. Two-tone roof. Hello. Enhanced cargo space. What does that do? Apparently it does nothing. It doesn't tell us what it does, so that's unhelpful. The preferred package, what does this entail? Audio Plus includes 8-inch touchscreen, 6 speakers, Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa, compatible USB media port, 2 USB charge ports, hands-free phone capability, music streaming, Sirius XM, Safety Connect, 1-year trial, 10-year trial, with 1-year trial, with up to 2 gigabytes within 3-month trial. Okay. A lot of stuff we probably don't need. Haha. That's easy to figure out. And let's see, with rear cross traffic alert, blind spot monitor, etc. Okay, so that is nice. This package is only available with the following exterior color. This package is only available with the following exterior color. Okay, well, look at that. They do not want us to spend money. Thank you, Toyota. Thank you very much. That is helpful. Okay, all-weather floor mats with all-weather trunk mat. Yes, please. Clear coat paint protection. Dual USB smart power port charger. Mud guards. Yeah, I like my mud guards. Innovative smart USB connector, either way is up. 2 fast charging 2.8 maximum power for latest tablets, blue LED power status lights. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Thank you. That is definitely helpful. I think this is in like the back seat is where that is going to be located. So that is very helpful if that is what I'm thinking it is. Phone cable and charge package with 2 rear. Okay, yeah. So here we go. So that right there is definitely what we need. Rear view mirror spoiler. Oh yes, please, please give me that spoiler. And touch keypad entry system. I don't necessarily need that, but yes, please give me that spoiler on the back. And that is $24,610 for that little car. The only thing it needs is black wheels, black sport wheels. That is what it needs desperately right at this moment. It needs black wheels, but still. That's not bad. That's pretty good for the gas mileage you're going to get on this little car. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's head on up to the can't speak, XSE trim package and see what we got. Engines. Same options. We'll go ahead and switch over to what I believe is, and I'm probably incorrect, but I'm believing this is more of an automatic transmission type. So let's see here. Can we... No, we cannot. Wah. It's making me very unhappy. Okay, so we're stuck with the white with the black there. Let's look at the exterior. Adaptive front lighting system, two-tone. So not a whole lot changing there. Oh, let me see here. Black combination leather. Okay, so leather, that's an upgrade there. Not much in the way of anything else, so not really... Currently, with how they're running, not that much going on. So let's go back and look at the upcoming one here and just take a look at that. Looks beautiful. So let's see. They're introducing the first ever 2023 GR Corolla, born from a passion of motorsports and infused with the DNA of Toyota Gonzo Racing. This exclusive manual transmission rarely built, so I will not be able to drive this whatsoever because I do not want to spend money and mess it up because I don't know how to drive it. Don't spend money on something you don't know how to use. That's a good point for all of us. Ready built, hot hatches ready for what Mother Nature serves up. Track tested and turbocharged with 300 horsepower and 4 all-wheel drive. The rowdiest member, hello Cowbush, of the GR family won't need a rain check. GR Corolla is bursting onto the scene fall 2022. Okay, it sounds great. So let's see here. So a 3-cylinder turbo, 300 horsepower, 273 pounds of torque, 6-speed manual, and all-wheel drive. GR4 all-wheel drive, by the way, and performance, showcasing its capabilities to put power to the ground. Automatically distributes power from 50-50 up to 30-70 front and rear. Nice, so adaptive power. Okay, that's good. By enhancing your drive normal, sport, and track modes, this hot hatch is more than ready to ready. So, ooh, okay. Design outfitted with an aggressive front grille. Looks great. A wide track rear diffuser, functional vents for enhancing aerodynamics and cooling. There's no need for GR Corolla to fight for attention. I'd say not. Ooh, leather-trimmed steering wheel, unique gauge clutch to elevate your excitement on any track. Circuit edition pulls on the details. You know what I would like? I would like to see this on Project Cars 3 myself. If we could get an upgrade on this, I would love to see this car on that. That would be fun. Handling for whatever road you take, a GR Corolla's circuit-tuned suspension and Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires won't let harsh road conditions rain on your parade. Who's in a parade? I'm in a race. Good night. Who's parading? Anyways, limited slip differential for a better grip with upgraded performance brakes. Help you dig into corners. It's time to find your new comfort zone. Oh, that's cool. It looks like a very cool car, and I'm definitely excited to see what it looks like. It looks good. I think the more brighter blue flame color, though, that's going to really grab my attention in the future, but that's cool, guys. I like it. So anyways, Tom was really excited about that, wanted me to take a look, but yeah, they don't have it set up for me to build yet, but that'll be interesting to go through once it is available. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think about the new Corolla and the Corolla options that are currently available. Definitely seems like a very nice all-around hatch. Maybe at the next car show we can actually sit in one, potentially. That would be fun. But anyways, guys, let me know what you think about that car. Definitely looks fun. Let me see here. I honestly go back to the build for a second and take a look here. Honestly, I don't think you even need to go to the XSE. I think just staying with the SE is fine. It'll probably save you a good amount of money, and you can still get some of the same options as the XSE, and it still looks really good. So honestly, probably just stay with the SE buying wise, because it's not going to be that much of a price difference. Although you do get some different wheels, but currently the color options are not available. So probably SE is probably your best bet. But anyways, very nice looking car, and hopefully we can check out that GR version here soon. Anyways, guys, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys here next time on the Combustion Guys. Bye bye.